What if we changed our way of telling time? With each day that begins, it is a question of light and energy. To make things happen, when a designer meets an engineer who shares the same passion for beautiful objects and the same dream to imagine, design, sculpt an object which measures time in a different light, curves of the sun's path and the horizon, a dream only possible in the land of the most prestigious timepieces. This is the return to the starting point, composing the infinite sign of the recommencement, a time sculpture which evokes the past inventions. Here, the relentless digital time is replaced by a time which feels long, suitable to contemplation, encounters, and major projects. It's the passing time in a different light. It's the time around 5.